We are Marta Milà and Marc Torrelles. We are both architects and we are starting a young studio called Mixto Studio set in Barcelona. For this year's Jardins de Métis festival, we submitted this proposal that is called aMAIZEing. That the main idea is to recover how to play outdoors in rural areas. As the topic of this year was paysage, we propose a garden that is for any age, from child to adult, to have fun outdoors.
To do so, we had a plot 10 by 20, and we decided to set a grid to plant some corn to make a field, a maze. And then in the middle, we were thinking about the crop circles, and we set 3 different circles. Each one has an unexpected object, which is thought to be to be played in a different way. For example, the first one, it's a sandbox of kernels of corn, and the second one is the straw wheel where we are sitting on, where the kids can climb and see through this maze of corn. And finally, the most successful and the main one, it's the trampoline, and where the kids can jump on the bouncing mat and see through the corn maze. The problem is this year the winter was colder and longer than we expected, so the corns are shorter also than we expected. So the effect of playing around this maze, it's not done yet. So we hope it will grow fast to do this, to make these sensations of discovering or this unexpected object that we were talking about.
But these things happen when you work with landscape, because landscape is something that have a life, so it evolves during the process. So as Marc says, we hope that very soon you will be able to see this maze and discover and have the surprise walking through these corn plants.
The point is, this year we used corn and kernels and straw, which are all forms of all of them are from this different stages of the same plant. Maybe next year, as it is a simple idea of having these 3 circles on the square plot, we are thinking that maybe next year the garden can evolve and we can plant other crops, or maybe we can switch the trampoline and instead of kernels we can put another trampoline. We'll see. It's a garden thought to evolve during the years here in Jardins de Métis. So we will see how it grows and maybe how next year is set.
And as you will see, it's very easy to use. So you go through the path and you have different kinds of movements in these different 3 objects that are set in the plot. So as you will see, is during this process of playing in this area, you will have the shapes, the movements, and the change related to vegetation, that are 3 aspects that are very present when you are playing. So
let's play. That's
play
the garden.
And have fun.